Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by choosing the strongest shot and importing it into Photo Room now. Select the original file, not an edited copy. Once imported, use the Auto Mask tool to isolate the subject because it saves time versus manual brushing. Make sure resolution is set to 300 dpi if you plan to print, and enable high-quality edges in settings. You'll avoid redoing fine hair or glass reflections later. Then, lock the subject layer so accidental moves won't ruin your progress. Move on to refine. Now you refine edges and build the scene. You'll zoom to 100% and switch to the refine brush. Paint along hairlines and transparent areas, then set edge smooth between 0 and 15 depending on detail. Once edges look natural, add your background layer, solid, gradient, or a photo, and adjust scale so perspective matches. Next, create a shadow layer beneath the subject, use multiply at 30 to 60% opacity, and blur it for realism. This step sells depth, so take your time and compare before proceeding. Finish by matching color and light so the subject belongs in the room. You'll use curves or HSL adjustments to shift highlights and midtones, nudge warmth or blue until the scene feels cohesive. Then apply selective sharpening to eyes and key details, not the whole image, and add a subtle vignette if needed to focus attention. If things go wrong, recheck the alpha channel, rerun masking, paint corrections with the erase/refine tools, or clone out small artifacts. Export at original resolution when satisfied.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.